What's up guys, it's time to talk about the next flagship phone from Samsung after the Note 10 series. So we have seen everything about the Note 10 family, and I mean everything from leaked vendors to the live hands-on, everything got leaked. And yesterday Sandra Gowal also leaked the official marketing pictures of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. I've talked about it in my last video with full specification, full features with which these both Note 10 models come with, so do check that video out if you want to. So this year Samsung changed their plans completely. First of all, they launched a completely new Galaxy A series in which they launched phones from A10 to all the way up to A80, and leaks are also saying Samsung is also preparing their S and E models like the A30s, A50s, A20e and A10e. And in case you don't know, we heard the news in the past that Samsung is preparing A70s phone that was supposed to be the first phone in the world to have a 64 megapixel camera, but after that we didn't hear any further news on that. Don't know if these E and S models are coming this year or Samsung moved their launches to next year. But according to the new leaks, Samsung's last A phone, Galaxy A90, will be coming at the end of this year with a flagship processor. Yes, this is happening for the first time in Samsung's history, a mid-range phone with a flagship Snapdragon 855 processor. Already Samsung launched so many flagship phones and about to launch 4 Galaxy Note 10 models this year for the first time. But now there will be another flagship from Samsung in the pipeline, and obviously it falls in the mid-range lineup. This means the price will not go that much high. Initially there were speculations that there will be 2 Galaxy A90 models, one with a 5G support and the other one with 4G LTE connectivity, but according to the new information provided by Eisner's, there will be only one Galaxy A90 with Snapdragon 855 model that will feature 5G. But on the other hand, information provided by OnLeaks clearly says that there will be a second variant of that same phone which will have Tilt OIS feature exclusively to that model. Maybe he's just saying that there will be only one Galaxy A90 model with Snapdragon 855, whereas the second variant could feature some low-end Exynos or Snapdragon processor to lower the price. Again, not sure, it is just my guess at this point, so take this with a pinch of salt. And as for the design, so 5G model will have full HD plus display with water drop notch design to cut the cost obviously, and as this phone is 5G supported, so it will have 4500 mAh battery as 5G consumes more power, and there will also be a 45 watt of ultra fast charging which will present only in Note 10 Plus 5G model. And if you care about benchmarks, so recently benchmarks of this 5G model got leaked with a massive 10,852 multi-score, and it's even more higher than the actual flagship Galaxy S10, and this is at the early stage at this point. Of course, with the final product it will perform really well. Now as for the non-5G model, so here is no confirmation with what features it's gonna come with, even if you don't know it will exist or not, but of course I will upload a video as soon as there will be more information about it. So subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And as for the launch of the 5G model is coming somewhere in September or October, and according to Eisner's, it will be the cheapest 5G smartphone in the second half of this year. So yeah, that's all here. Let me know what you think about this strategy of Samsung, and yeah, see you soon.